Eberspecher South Africa Pty Limited is based in Port Elizabeth in the Eastern Cape Province and is part of the Eberspecher Group. The Eberspecher Group is one of the world's leading system developers and suppliers of exhaust technology, vehicle heaters and bus air conditioning systems. Eberspecher is also a professional innovation partner for the automotive industry in air conditioning of special-purpose vehicles and in automotive electronics. Their clients include European, North American and increasingly Asian vehicle manufacturers. The 150-year-old company is represented in approximately 25 countries in more than 60 locations. One of their many objectives is to increase their market share, not only locally, but internationally, as being the major role player in exhaust emission control product production. Certain plants in Germany were struggling to meet the dimensional requirements of their customers. Eberspecher South Africa decided to approach a local original equipment manufacturer to review and audit their process, and then approached the European OEM to consider Eberspecher South Africa as a possible alternative. They were audited by the German OEM and met all requirements, which resulted in all existing global production being relocated to South Africa for this program. Being considered world-class has become a core requirement of their operations and processes, and they are continuously enhancing their systems and procedures to ensure that their goals of utmost quality and efficient production are obtained. The company's productivity approach has been driven through innovation systems throughout their operations. They have an internal continuous improvement program, which is interlinked with international standards and other factories throughout the globe, and forms part of their global goal alignment drive within the organization. Each plant across the globe is measuring the same measure, while they continue to implement and share their successes. Due to its motto as the company that drives the future, it has been a challenge to get every employee through their CIP program. In time and online training stations were introduced for new and graduate trainees. As a result of their productivity initiatives over the period 2013 to 2015, green areas, measurement of production throughputs, increased by 13%. Block stock value in the factory movement increased by 2.3%. Attendance increased by 41%. Number of employees increased from 572 to 759, an increase of 25%. Profitability, net profit after tax percentage, increased by 10%. Sales turnover percentage, year-on-year growth, increased by 73%. And net profit as percentage of sales turnover increased by 49%. Eberspecher South Africa, as part of their social development program, has adopted the Lamani School, which includes buildings, facilities and students. The company is ISO 9001-2008, ISO 14001 and TS 16949 certified. Eberspecher South Africa is a major player in reducing carbon emission through their products. The control of CO2 emission and fuel improvement initiatives is the driver of this organization. Eberspecher South Africa Pty Limited has bolstered the awareness of South Africa's capabilities and facilitating exports to suppliers. They have promoted South Africa through their involvement and are considered to be the benchmark plant in the Eberspecher Group. They are driven by innovation, continuous improvement and best world-class practices.